Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today's video we're going to be installing our new Turbonetics intercooler into the 6-liter Powerstroke. As you see, I do got it sitting out here in the sun, just hanging out for a minute. There's cardboard on the other side. Don't worry, there's no grass getting in the little fins there. Had some stencils laying around, so I decided to have some fun with that. But duty at hand here. I said duty. We got to take the intercooler out of the Powerstroke. For what I've seen in a couple of videos myself, is that you can take out this upper radiator shroud by removing a few bolts and hardwares hanging around in there. I think you got to take the AC condenser off, the trans cooler off. Take this upper plastic off here, and just some odds and ends throughout. So we're going to get started on that. Catch up with you here shortly. Alright, so we got the plastic shroud off. Looks to be, there's a couple more push pins that I've got to take off right here. And then looks to be a bunch of 8mm bolts. You can take off the one that's holding the radiator in. Take off this one right here that's holding the condenser in, which is in the front. Then you got your oil cooler, your trans cooler down there, all these little brackets and stuff. You also have to take off the hood latch. And then it matches on this side. There's a couple here, these two there. I'm not sure what's underneath this here. I got to take these push pins out, but let's see here. See if I can get back there. One. There's two. Doesn't look like there's nothing back there. Just that was holding on there. Let's check on this side. Put that one out. Oh, let me get this. Oh, I was hoping to get that one. Oh yeah, I got it. I got it out without breaking it. I thought I broke it, but got it out breaking it. Nothing really holding that side on either. Cool. Well, let's take the intake off, and then we have to take the intercooler boots off that are down here on the bottom. There's two clamps on this side, and then there is two clamps down on this side, which you can see them on this side. There's one here, and the other one's right there. The intake's blocking the other side, but I'll do that and I'll catch back up. All right, so I got the radiator out, or excuse me, the intercooler out. The radiator doesn't really move much. This one right here doesn't move. This one right here is the only one that moves. I had to move it a little bit to around these lines because that was kind of pain because it was tucked way down there. Anyway, so got the intercooler out. Here it is sitting right here. This is the Ford factory intercooler that comes in these 6-liter Powerstrokes. And then here is this nice new one. Let me set it up for a comparison. Hang on. Alright, so got it sitting out here. By the way, if anybody's curious, this is the part number for this intercooler. So if you look, first off, thickness is overall, I'd call that double the size. Inlet and outlet should be pretty similar. The Ford style, you see it kind of slants in a little bit. Might just because it's old, but it's also plastic. It comes into this metal here. And then on this one, it's an aluminum, all the way into an aluminum core. Size difference, it looks to be a little taller as well. The thickness of it is just outstanding compared to it. And it's also twice as heavy too. It's going to be a pain trying to put this beast back in there. As you see, this little thing fit right in here. So yeah, we're going to see what happens. Once I get her shoved in there, I will let you know what it looks like. Alright, ladies and gentlemen, I forgot to pick up the camera to show you guys what I did. But let's see here. If you look right in there, intercooler is in. Everything is tightened back down the way it should be. I have a rag just sitting on top of my dipstick for the time being, but Everything's in. I'm about to start it up and see the difference. I mean, I don't know. I'll get you guys a cold start. Set her back here. If I can find something to lean it up against here. Here we go. We'll lean it up against this nice VP Racing can. See if you guys want to back it up just a little bit more. We're about 10 foot away. I don't know how that's going to look, but let's see. Oh yeah, that'll work. All right, let's get a cold start. Come on, Steve. Truck's been sitting here for a little while, but I'll try to leave some links down below to Rudy's where I got the intercooler from. She runs good. I mean, nothing's different. It's just a bigger intercooler. About to take it down the road. I think that's going to do it for this video, ladies and gentlemen. If you have any questions, definitely leave them down below. If you like what you've seen, leave a like down as well. Subscribe if you haven't already. And y'all hustle harder.